Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the trial run of the EPS crusher, rounder, and deduster machine, which our customer from the UAE visited on site to inspect. Let's take a look at the operating process of the EPS crusher, rounder, and deduster system. After feeding the waste material into the inlet, it first passes through the crusher, where large waste pieces are crushed into smaller pieces. These smaller pieces then fall to the lower section for fine crushing, where they are processed into finer particles. Next, the blower sends these fine particles into the rounder, where rounding and dedusting take place. The dust generated during the rounding process is blown into the metal dust collection bag, while the qualified material is transported into the recycled material silo. Now, let's open the silo to check the rounded EPS material. After rounding, a small amount of dust remains, with a dust content of about 3 to 4%. For this test, we used an 8mm screen. There are 4 screen size options available: 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, and 12mm. Regarding capacity, based on a material density of 15 gmm3, the EPS material capacity is 15 min3H. The EPP material capacity is 12 min3H. Finally, let's take a look at the dust collected in the metal dust collection bag. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.